Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Plate and Palette. Today let's make a flavorful and comforting Arachivitta Tomatillo Sambar. A South Indian style sambar made with tangy tomatillos and freshly ground masala. The Tamil word Arachivitta translates to freshly ground or made with freshly ground spices in English. It's quick, aromatic and goes perfectly well with rice, idli or dosa. Belonging to the same family as tomatoes, the tomatillos have a tangy, slightly herbal, citrusy flavor and are less sweeter than tomatoes, making them great for curries, sambars and chutneys too. Originating in Mexico and Central America, they are a key ingredient in salsa verde and many traditional sauces. To start with, wash the dhals till the water runs clear and soak for 20 minutes. In a pressure cooker, add the masoor dhal, toor dhal, moong dhal, 2 cups of water, chopped green chilli, garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, hing, ghee and mix everything well. Close the lid and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles on a medium flame. Let the pressure release naturally. Chop the shallot, tomato, curry leaves and cilantro. When you peel off the papery husk, you will find a shiny green fruit inside that feels a little bit sticky, which is perfectly natural. Peel off the husk and rinse the fruit to remove the sticky coating. Chop them into pieces. In this recipe, I have used the smaller variety. Any variety can be used. Tomatillos are not only tasty but also healthy. They are low in calories, rich in vitamin C, vitamin K and antioxidants that help boost your immunity and keep your skin healthy. They also contain fiber that supports good digestion. If you haven't tried cooking with tomatillos yet, give them a go, especially in sambar or chutney. The next step is to make the ground masala paste. Heat a little oil in a kadai or a small pan. Add urad dhal, chana dhal, cumin seeds and fenugreek seed. Roast on a low flame till golden and aromatic. Then add the shallot and fry for 1 minute till soft. Add the coconut and roast lightly. Mix in the coriander powder, Kashmiri chilli powder and chilli powder. Cool this mixture and grind into a smooth paste with a little water. That's our Arachivitta masala paste full of flavor. Once the pressure is down, open the cooker and mash the dhal gently. Bring the dhal to a boil and in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add the mustard and cumin seeds and let it splutter. Now add the tomatillos and saute for a minute. Add the tomato and mix again. Once the tomatoes are lightly cooked, add the curry leaves. Mix well. Add this mixture to the dal and stir to combine. Now add in the ground masala paste. Add little water to thin the dal. Salt to taste and boil for couple of minutes. Finally add in the chopped cilantro and switch off the stove. That's it. Our Arachivitta Tomatillo Sambar is ready. Tangy, creamy and bursting with traditional flavors. Serve it hot with rice, idli or dosa. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious homemade recipes. See you all next time. Happy cooking.